Hello everyone, welcome to JobJcs. Today we have an opening for production engineer for Mumbai location. Before we proceed ahead with the job discussion, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and do not forget to like our video. So let's begin with the basic requirement of the profile. The job location is Miraroad, Mumbai. BE Diploma in Mechanical Engineer or Plastic Injections Moulding, Diploma or degree in Engineer, Handso experience in plastic molding shop is required. Minimum 2 to 3 years of experience is required. Strong understanding of current market segments, strategy and best practice. Experience in product sale is required. Experience on vertical injection molding and horizontal molding machines like milacron and knowledge of tools parameters of welding shop is also required. Below is the job description. Modifying or creating machines used for injection molding. Assist with setup and troubleshooting for equipment. Develops material to be inserted into molds to create products. Able to manage manpower and production in molding. Able to manage vertical molding and horizontal injection molding. Alright, if you find the profile suitable for you, please send your resume over the given email ID. You may also join our Telegram channel to receive such updates in future. The link is given in the description box. Please do not forget to like our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.